I was 90 when the mountain tried to kill me.
It was minus 15 and dropping. The fire, it failed me.
I survived 9 decades, but nature doesn't care about age. The cold.
Cold of the Keita, it gets inside your bones. You can hear your own blood slowing down. I had to move or freeze. The forest, it was watching me. The forest, it was watching me. This hole. God, why? I started thinking of my first winter.
My father said, "Fire is life, son."
He was right. I needed fire.
Memories. For warmth. Come on.
Life. Beautiful life. I wasn't ready to go. Not yet.
That tiny flame.
Water means you live another hour. Thank you for staying. I never thought I'd see it. The world
Looked brand new.
Each step was a prayer.
Smoke means people, means life.
Oh, I made it!
I made it. I actually made it. Frostbite.
But I was alive.
I told Sarah I'd be home.
Now I teach them what my father taught me.
Yay!
It taught me I'm stronger than I knew.
So whatever you're facing,
Light your fire and keep it alive.
Because the night is always darkest before dawn.